Srimannarayana, 26th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ami sarve dhrutarashtrasya putraha sarvaihi sahaiva अवनिपालसङ्घैः भीष्मो द्रोणः सूतपुत्रः तथासौ सहास्मदीयैः अपि योधमुख्यैः ॐ Realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is impartial to everyone in this world. Before you end your journey through your body, get Narayana mantra from an authoritative and approved Acharya and keep meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma to attain an eternal abode from where you do not have to come back to the cycle of birth and death. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall always remember that you are impartial to everyone in this entire cosmos. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, please help me approach an authoritative and authentic Guru to get Narayana mantra. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall keep meditating upon you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धमु 10th skandam 178th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bakasura is now waiting for time to swallow Krishna. He is acting like as if he is doing tapasya, but Entire of his attention is upon Krishna. Finally, when he thought it is time to swallow Krishna, Agatya Sahasa Krishnam Tikshna Tundaha Agrasadbali. Immediately he swallowed Krishna. Chanchuvuditi Pakshamulu Jalluna Vichi. That Bakasura, when he was about to swallow Krishna, he is getting ready. He opened his nose and immediately Padambuletti Kuppinchi Nabhambu Paike Gisi. He lifted his feet and he flew into space. Bhishana Goshana Vaktrudai Vijrumbhinchi. He is screaming very dreadfully. Then Bakasurundu Vodisi Mringe Sahishnuni Chinni Krishnunin. Then he swallowed Krishna. Krishna was just waiting with patience. Let us see, like that. In that mode, Krishna was waiting, but immediately this Bakasura opened his mouth and swallowed that small Krishna, Chinni Krishna, Bala Krishna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 26th sloka. Ami chatvam dhrutarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaiva avanipala sanghaihi bhishmo dronaha sutaputrastadhasau sahasmadiyaihi apiyodhamukhyaihi. Ami chatvam dhrutarashtrasya putraha sarve sahaiva avanipala sanghaihi bhishmo dronaha sutaputrastadhasau sahasmadiyaihi apiyodhamukhyaihi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.